guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach us how to download a mockup and how to use it for free. So without wasting our time, let's get started. First of all, we'll open our browser. You can use any browser, but I'm using Opera Mini. Using Opera, then I'll come to this place. But before that, make sure your this thing is connected, your network is connected. I already connect mine, so I'm going to go to freepix.com. .co, enter, click enter. That's it. So the next thing you are going to do is to come to the search panel here. You just search for flyer mockup. Sorry about that. You search for flyer mockup, flyer mock up, then hit enter. So these are the free mockup. This one here is the premium, so you can subscribe to their channel if you want. So I'm going to go for this one here. Click on it. You wait till you load. Yes, like this. Then you click on this. Before you download, make sure you always check this file type here. It's very, very important. In this place it's shown PSD, that means Photoshop, and JPEG. So you click on download, free download, so it will automatically download our mockup. So you can see it's downloading already. I'm done downloading it. So this is it. So I'm come to this place. I'll extract the file. Come to like this. I'm done extracting, so I'll double click it. This is the file here. So this is the PSD format. You open it to automatically open your Photoshop. So the first thing you're going to do is this. You check this one, left poster. So you come to this place, you double click it. When you double click it, you go to your work. Okay, let me use this work. I'll drag it inside. The only thing I'll just do is just to press Ctrl S, which is save. So if I come here automatically, you can see it. So I'll come to this place again, double click it. Then I'll still come here, drag it inside like this. Just take it up. Ctrl X. It's saving already. So this is it here. So if you want to change the background, you can just come to this background, look at it. So I'll change the background to yellow, something like this, orange, sorry. So like this, I'll hit OK. That's all. Very, very simple. If you know you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.